Hello class 9. Today's topic is about fascist Italy. Italy had gone fascist under Mussolini much before the Great Depression impacted Italy. It is very difficult to explain fascist ideology. Mussolini was the architect of fascist Italy. He started a propaganda that Italy needed a dictator for the solution of problems that had infected the country during the war. He created a new movement that would promote nationalism and social reform. In 1990, he founded the Fascist Party. Its membership increased rapidly. The Fascist Party had backed a good number of seats in the parliamentary election of 1921 and thus his ambition raised high. This party tried to subdue the opposition by act of violence. When the socialists organized a workers' strike, Mussolini declared that if the government did not stop the strikers, then his party would step in, and they were successful in doing so. Thus, the action of the fascists convinced people that they could be trusted. The Italian government became much dependable on the member of fascists in the parliament. In 1922, in the month of October, Mussolini organized a fascist march on Rome. Then King Victor Emmanuel invited him to form a new government. Assuming the title Il Duce, Mussolini became a dictator with all powers concentrated in his hand. Mussolini wanted to make Italy a great, respected, and feared. In doing so, his aims were to achieve military status through military build-up, diplomatic intrigue if need be, and to go to war. Through all this, he wanted to make the Italians more energetic and aggressive people. During the post-war, Italy could not overcome the impact of Great Depression. A large number of companies collapsed and unemployment rose high. During this situation, the Italian government tried to tackle the crisis by his own initiatives, but all the measures they had taken failed. Despite all this, the Italian economy was not self sufficient when Mussolini declared war. Italy had to run into a major difficulty by participating in the Second World War. The topic is over. Thank you.